How to bid on StockX. Hello, welcome to our channel, and in this tutorial I will teach you how to bid on StockX. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you guys are wondering, you can check out the StockX website using the link down there in the video description below. So without further ado, let's get started. So as you can see, I'm on my dashboard and I'm just going to choose a product that I want to set a bid. So for example, this Nike Kobe Pro Throw, and if I click place bid, it will redirect me to this page where I can select a pricing option. So there's a lot of bid that people want. So this is called the better bid, or there's a good bid, that it means that it's the lowest bid that you can get, or you can buy the product for its original price. So me, I'm just going to put an random price below the better bid. So I'm going to add 280 price, and after that I can set a bid expiration to 60 days, and if I have a discount code I can also add that. And before I set my bid, I need to add my payment method and shipping address, and after I input all of that, I can click next, and the bid will be submitted. So the bid will be received by the seller, and if they like your bid, maybe they will give you the product. And yeah, that's it. That's how you can add bid on StockX. And also, that's it for today's tutorial. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one. Bye.